Kyle Roberts, what a game yesterday at the Cotton Bowl. Back and forth the entire game.
Yeah, lived up to the hype, absolutely.
That it did. You know what also lived up to the hype was this weather. You told us it was going to be great, and it panned out perfect.
We've been talking about it for a while, too, how great this weekend was going to be. Remember that as well for the next time you complain about us always being wrong. We say, because we never get credit for the times where we say, hey, this is going to, not only did the widespread rain happen this past week, but then we got the fall-like weather. We're calling for both of that.
Oh, so I think we're all singing your praises today,
Yeah,
Kyle.
I'm just venting a little bit about the fact that, yes, we do get it wrong occasionally.
Of course.
But sometimes we don't get the credit for when we do get it right. Yeah, this weekend, a great one out there. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you're able to get outside and do it today if you can as well. Though if you're outside this morning, definitely warrants a jacket and the sweater. Look at the low temperatures from earlier this morning, which really the low only happened about an hour or so ago because the sun's really only been up for about an hour. So here you go. Look at all the 40s outside of DFW. DFW running a little warmer, relatively speaking. Urban heat island. Remember the concrete, the asphalt kind of hold up that temperature compared to the more rural locations or locations outside of the big city. So it's 51 was the low this morning in Fort Worth, 52 in Dallas. But look at all the 40s elsewhere. 45 in Denton this morning, 46 in McKinney, 44 in Greenville. The cool spot, Eastland at 42, 48 in Mineral Wells. Granbury dropped to 47. Terrell's also at 47. Paris to Clarksville in the low 40s. Paris at 44 degrees this morning. So definitely the coolest morning we've seen in months. Really have to head back to late April to find a morning that was cooler than this across North Texas. We deserve it. We'll gladly take it. 51 still outside in Fort Worth right now. The sun is up and we're going to have just nothing but blue sky today. A gorgeous, gorgeous end to the weekend. A great fair day as well. 55 out at Fair Park right now. And temperatures will warm quickly once the sun really gets going. 63 at 10 o'clock. My high today close to 80, which of course happens middle of the afternoon. And then temperatures should fall pretty quickly this evening down to about 70 or so by 8 o'clock. Highs today will range from the mid to upper 70s east of DFW to low 80s west of DFW. DFW somewhere between 79, 80, 81, somewhere around there. The normal high is 82, so we might be just below normal yet again this afternoon, but only by a degree or two later on today. Lots of sunshine headed your way. Satellite and radar map pretty much blank across North Texas. Any clouds are well down, well down to the south. Few little showers there down in the Rio Grande Valley. That is it. As we head through the upcoming week, warmer air will start to move back into North Texas. Unfortunately, the 80s are going to make a return and maybe even some 90s this week as well. Any rain, at least through the first part of the week, stays down along the Texas coast. We just stay warm. Maybe a few clouds try and move in during the day on Wednesday. But here comes our next cold front. That one will move through as we head into Thursday night. But look how hardly any rain with this one. Fall-like temperatures will return as we head in the late week and weekend time frame. But you can see, this is not a widespread soaking rain event for us. I wish it was, but it does not look like we're going to see much rain with this one. But what we will see is fall-like weather just in time for this upcoming weekend yet again. As I mentioned, the rain stays mainly along the coast. Inch or two possible kind of right along the Texas coast, lower amounts a little bit farther inland than that. But there you go. This is our rain prospects through next weekend. Maybe a little bit across East Texas over to the Arklatex, but even then, it's 1/100th to 1/10 of an inch. Remember, at this point last week, we were talking about widespread rain, maybe some 1 to 2 inch totals, and we definitely got that across North Texas. Some places even ended up with amounts well higher than that. So I wish that was happening this week. Unfortunately, that's not the case, but we will get the cool down. Back up to 88 tomorrow afternoon. So big spike in the temps tomorrow. Then we stay in the mid to upper 80s, maybe even hitting 90 Thursday. But then that front moves in and it's down to 80 on Friday, and even better for the upcoming weekend. Next Saturday, 54 in the morning, 72 during the afternoon. And next Sunday's pretty nice as well, 75 on Sunday. So just like this weekend, fall weather arrives just in time for the weekend. In between, things are going to be a little warm. And right now, I only have a 20% coverage on Thursday for rain as that front moves in. And really, that's more so Thursday night as that front moves into the area. So wish we had a little more rain in the forecast, but nice to see more fall-like weather for next weekend.